Location, location, location. Welcome to your new home. This beautiful pool home with a fireplace is located in the gated and guarded community of Cory Lake Isles, 4,010 square feet, 3-car garage, 5 bedrooms, 3 baths. This home features a popular, split floor plan, with double owners suites, one on the lower and the other on the second floor. The other bedrooms located on the first floor. The kitchen area is great for entertaining. Upgraded wooden cabinets, stainless steel appliances, tile backsplash, modern fixtures, and granite counters complete the functional, beautiful space. The outdoor living space is comfortable, functional, and beautiful. The entire area is screened and the covered lanai provides a large shaded space to relax and entertain. Adding a boat landing is an option to enjoy the relaxing Cory Lakes. The pool features a spillover spa. With LOW HOA, $250 per year, and LOW CDD FEE, around $200 per month, Cory Lake Isles is an amazing neighborhood to call home and located just minutes from I-75. Cory Lake Isles is a master-planned community with clubhouse, fitness center, resort-style pool, playgrounds, sand volleyball court, soccer field, tennis courts, basketball court, outdoor roller hockey court, and a 165-acre ski lake. Due to extended family living situation, the sellers would prefer virtual tours. Serious inquiries may schedule an in-person tour with realtor.